Hi there, this is our wee single phase Chinese lathe. I think it's about 1 metre between centres. Ticks over nicely. The only thing I noticed was at one of the ranges in the feed box isn't working, and that's the E range, so it'll be missing 2 metric threads, which will be 0.25 and 0.50. That compound slide has got a few marks there where it's hit at some stage, but apart from that it seems pretty good. So it's got the full length splash guard. You'll see the accessories there, your e-stop, coolant pump, and it's got a wee entry button there as well, emergency foot brake, your 2 wee cabinet doors with your shells inside. I will start from this end. There's your tail stock. That's nice to move in and out, and those locks feel good. Carriage is good to move. Cross slide feels nice with very little movement there. Compound slide feels good with a little bit of movement there, not much. Okay, I'll run you through the, that's the coolant pump going. I don't know if you can hear that. We haven't put fluid in it, but I'm assuming that that's working. I'll run you through the feeds. I've got it in a low range there. So I'll get that lead screw running and engage that lead screw. It's got the wee thread dial indicator there. So that's the lead screw engaged going that way. And I'll change that and head that back towards me. So that's going in and out alright. Now I'll run that feed shaft. And that's the cross slide going away from you, and the carriage feeding towards me. So those are those feeds. I'll run you through the speed range. So that's 70. 115. We were in 190, so I'll show you the next one, which will be 300. I'm going to take you into the high range, 460, and that's the wee emergency brake there. Next one will be 755. 1255. One more. 2000. So those are the speed ranges there. So yeah, nice wee lathe, metre between centres, and all set to go.